Wan mane county ma Kisumu nyakoram gajuang jalup governor ma Kisumu Dr. Mathew Owili oyango ni Lalruok makare dhi nyime ewi ywaruok ma tong e kind Kisumu kod Kericho. Owili wacho ni twak pod ni od bura ma Senate kata obedo ni nitiere jotelo mag siasa ma osebedo ka chwalo mach ewi wachno kendo medo kelo mirima mokalo e kind jodak modak e tongno. Owili wacho ni aput nitie makoro rango wach ywaruogno, aput moriwo jokanyo mag duol mar lope.
How is the tie? Kisumu has had issues at the border. We've had an issue at the border in Maseno, which was successfully resolved. Okay, again in a very peaceful manner, without anybody, holding the shirt of the other one. Okay, and that's what we like to see in other areas as well. We have issues at the border between Kisumu and Nandi. Okay, and I believe in that the two leaders, okay, that's the county governors of Nandi and of course Kericho, with the relevant institutions, will be able to resolve that matter. And that is what we would like to see also in the issue about the boundary at Sondu.
The county Mamigo